chassis car.
I heard that, man. Looking good.
Appreciate it.
Let's see what she looks like here.
Stephen Peeler, owner and driver of a 2003 Firebird. It's a small block Chevrolet. Should run 560s, 570s. Local here at Ware Shoals. Live in Donald, South Carolina. Born and raised in Greenwood.
I know where both of them are. I live in Abbey Patch.
There you go. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's a brand new car. Bought it first of this year, January. Up here tonight trying to work the bugs out of it, trying to get everything together.
Yes, that's what practice is for, right?
That's right, yes.
Yeah, well, let me get a shot of your car
Yes,
here.
sir, go ahead.
Where are you from?
My name's Nathan Jordan. I'm from Anderson, South Carolina. I drive a 87 Nissan 300ZX called White Trash.
White Trash. I heard
White
that,
Trash.
girl. Let me check her out. Looks like a sleeper to me.
Johnny Burton, Ware Shoals, South Carolina. 65 Chevrolet truck for 358, 350.
I heard that, man.
Power Glide, 488 gear. Just having fun.
Yeah, it is fun, I guarantee you.
Changed converters this weekend.
I'm Robin Whiteford Quinton, here at Ware Shoals Dragway. I'm a retired teacher, 25 years in the special ed department, and I love racing. I've been racing most of my life. When I turned 16, my dad bought me my first Mustang, and I just got the bug, and I started from then on out. I race a 91 Mustang. It used to be Starlight Blue, but now it is Bombshell Pink in honor of my mother, who is battling breast cancer. But she's a survivor, and she's still with us, so this is for her. I raced a 302 in it for about 8 years, and over the winter I built a little 331. My husband and I built all of my engines. My transmission is still an AOD. I drive it on the street. My power adder is a little nitrous bottle. Right now I have a 100 shot on it. I want to jet it up a little bit, but I think tonight it's going to be a little cool, so I'm going to leave it at that 100 shot.
Probably so.
But I love racing. My husband even built my cage for me and installed it. If we can't do it, then it's not going to get done, because I like homegrown vegetables and homegrown cars.
Yes. Is that your driving partner you got there with you?
This is Sally, Mustang Sally.
Mustang. I hear you, Mustang Sally. Cool. All right, I'm gonna get a picture of your car now.
Okay.
Ralph Mead, better known as Fuzzy, and I got a 73 Plymouth Duster. It's got a 360 and a question mark, which is more cubic inches than 360. And all of it looks good so far.
You're quick, huh? Yeah. Let's get a shot of it.
My name is George Jones. I'm from Hodges, South Carolina. This is an '89 Ford Mustang. It was previously a Pro Mod owned by Ben Jones out of Abbeville. got a 565 cubic inch Chevrolet motor in it with a Power Glide transmission, and we're gonna take it down the track and see how she does.
I heard that,
Yes,
man.
sir.
I seen you a while ago. It looks like it might do pretty good.